1300. See all the snow is pink?
Yeah, from hydro?
Snow, it's some sort of weird snow algae. You'll see it's everywhere.
Really? No kidding.
Yeah, it happens every year. Isn't that weird? It makes the dog's fur pink. If in the sun it like is bright pink, yeah.
Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of return viewers on these Snowcat videos, but not a lot of subscribers. If you feel like subscribing, please do. Thanks. Dump truck. PB400. Oshkosh. And BR400.
Yep, yeah. Mechanical. Yeah, it's friggin'
Good.
This isn't the one you hauled up.
It's a Cummins 8.3. All mechanical. This thing is, there's no computer in it or anything. It's just like a friggin' old school. It runs so well, dude. In 5 years, I've never once had to add oil or coolant ever. Dude, it's does not leak a drop.
Yeah.
Of oil or coolant. Hydro, different story. But I'm gonna fix all that this summer. This is already warm. This will not be a cold start. It cooled down a little bit. I just replaced the air governor today. I don't know much about air brakes, but it builds air, and it's like an air compressor, it just cuts off a certain PSI. And the governor was bad, so it kept cutting off at random PSI, like sometimes 30, which isn't enough to release the parking brake, so I got stranded for like 2 hours the other day. And then I was just banging on it with a hammer, finally like got it freed up by like adjusting it a bunch, made it up there, and finally put a new one in today, so yeah, she chugs. It's got a little bit of a dirty injector right now, I think, from sitting. But I put a bunch of treatment in, and I think a couple runs up and down the hill will make all the difference. Give her a little bit of fun.
He added the boards. Nice tires. So I was last here 15 days ago, and a lot of the snow has melted since then. Whoa. Video sponsored by Brunt.
Even before we did this, just needs to run up that hill loaded a few times, I think. The governor. Maybe like 1300, I don't know. They're not quite as powerful as the new ones, but somebody online would definitely know what kind of torque this thing should have.
Yep.
But yeah, I don't even really know the specs. It's recently rebuilt though. Doesn't mean it doesn't leak oil, but new AC compressor. It's got a brand new AC system, which is huge.
Yeah.
It's pretty clean. I put these tires on it off my old truck. Yeah, we'll see. It's an old beast. The stacks are definitely pretty loud. This is the broken one. I marked it. That's what this budget is. Right there. It's not all the way through yet.
Is that your tire guide?
Yeah, we might have to take the tire guide off. Oh yeah, look at this. See, it's broken all the way around there. See that?
So we'll have to pull this off.
Yeah.
Take the tire guide off.
Yeah.
We can just patch it as we can.
Not this one.
Nice.
They're LEDs.
New lights, looking good.
They look good up there. Remember that one was flopping around for a while?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the China special, like $24 on eBay. They're working great so far.
Cool. Woo. Back in the old cat, looking good.
I can't lift my blade.
Oh no.
Oh, this button's stuck.
Huh.
Huh, weird.
Does that ever get stuck before?
But they do wear out.
Oh boy.
The
Hopefully
button was stuck.
it works for tonight. So what exactly is the mission? I don't totally understand it, honestly.
So these people were the Hispanic folk that had me groom their driveway. They're still pretty deep over there, and they're parking up here, but they can't really snowmobile, I think, because they're losing snowmobile access.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna plow the driveway out so they can drive their car in.
Cool, sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, you did this just about a year ago, like almost
Same
a little
thing?
over a year ago. Yeah, it was mid-May last
Same
year.
project?
Yeah, Marco's driveway.
Were you there for it?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. There's a
cool.
whole nice video. One of the
Really?
best, but one of the least watched, by the way.
It's funny too. I just gave this thing like a nice summer greasing yesterday,
Ah.
thinking I was done with it.
Quite.
Some blade really in the dirt there.
Yeah.
It's nice to have a cat you don't mind driving around in the dirt. And luckily it rained. I wanted to do this tonight, especially because it rained a ton today, so the ground's pretty soft.
Perfect. Yeah.
And look at this. I can grade the road.
Yep.
Pushing dirt.
That's awesome.
It's nice, soft road base.
It's rolling off the blade.
Very wet. If that was dry, I would not do that.
Yeah.
Oh, it
Yeah,
really
look at
helps.
that. Cool.
Yeah, we've had cluster flies in here, dude. Look at this.
Oh man.
I opened the door today and like 100 flies.
Yeah, I'll pop mine. Good.
Actually, every door, like both snowcats. Both doors, both snowcats.
Yeah. Oh,
That's
man.
big.
Ooh. Is that close?
Shot.
No. Cool. Alright, got most of the bugs out. Continue on. It's getting a little dark, but we've got a tiny bit of light remaining.
Yeah. This is actually one of the few snowcat jobs that I find to be much easier in the daylight.
Yeah.
Just because you can see when you hit that ice layer.
Yeah.
It's funny because the road is kind of like lower than the surrounding ground, so it holds all the snow.
Yeah, it really does. Yeah.
Definitely going to be doing many passes. The deep spot is over at the north-facing trees there by their house.
Yeah.
I didn't even look at it before I threw them out a rough estimate, so hopefully it's not crazy.
Yeah. We'll see.
I wouldn't be surprised if there's still like 6 feet in spots over there.
6 feet? Oh boy.
See all the snow is pink?
Yeah, from hydro?
Snow, it's some sort of weird snow algae. You'll see it's everywhere.
Really? No kidding.
Yeah, it happens every year. Isn't that weird? It makes the dog's fur pink. Isn't that funny?
That's insane. Yeah, the snow is noticeably pink, like almost like
Everywhere,
bright pink.
Bright pink.
And,
If in the sun, it like is bright pink. Yeah.
I noticed some of that, and I just assumed you were leaking like unprecedented amounts of hydro.
Yeah, you're not the only person that assumed that either. No, it is actually snow algae.
That's
Some sort, not sure
that's insane.
exactly what.
Wow. I'm gonna have to do some research on that.
I think when we did this last year, there was more snow than this. What do you think?
Yeah, but it was halfway. It was the same day you sold the 275 with the Canadian guy here.
Oh, okay.
So it was right in the middle of May. So yeah, there may have been
Almost the exact same amount of snow, actually.
Yeah, I'd say so. Yep.
All right, Terry did come along on that mission, didn't he?
Yeah, he had a good time. Good time was had by all. Yep. We all got sunburned.
There's some ice layer right there. That spot's thin. Luckily, this will be thin here. It's once we get to the woods, it's gonna get a little gnarly.
Yep.
Jeez. Ooh. Gonna have to plow that rock out of the way.
There we go. Yeah, it's really pink.
The spot there, I'd say about 4 feet.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I can't say that for certain, but I'm guessing it's the deepest spot.
Yeah, we'll see.
There's
Yeah.
that sled that hasn't moved in a few years.
Yeah, the 700 triple. Well, we started it. JP started it last year.
Really?
Yeah.
This
And
time last year?
yep, and moved it. It was down there a little bit. It's a triple. It sounds dope. It sounds super nice. Oh yeah. So the corner is where you may be crazy?
Yeah, the corner, but I was worried about this spot, and this isn't even that bad. I'm really impressed with how well it's melted.
Yeah, not bad. Wow. What a
Plus,
cool
it is gonna
driveway.
get a bit deeper over here, it looks like.
Yeah. Sick.
This is pretty deep through here, I'd say.
Yeah.
It's hard to say exactly. Maybe 4 feet here and 4 feet in that other spot.
Yeah.
Surprisingly frozen up right now, too. Ooh, it's a good workout for the old cat.
Yep.
For sure.
It was doing that thing a year ago when you did this job where it was doing the slight missing.
Oh, the injector thing,
Yeah.
yeah.
So it did do it as recently as
Nice,
that.
yeah, that was the last time I did it. It hasn't really done it since then. I put some ejector cleaner in it and then ran it a few times. I think I'll start at the bottom and work my way up.
Yeah. Cool. Here we go.
I'm excited to show you these lights. I got this done in 2 hours,
Yeah.
which would be the high end of the quote.
Cool. Oh yeah, pretty deep.
This old cat does some work. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think it's probably 5 feet deep right there.
Yeah.
Really convenient to have a nice edge to push this off of. That really makes this job easier.
Yeah, this time of year is good for that.
Yeah.
So you're gonna do a bunch of passes here, then go to the upper part?
Yep. Yeah, the middle, then the upper.
Yeah. Cool, sounds
I
good.
figure it's nice to have the visibility in this kind of tighter workspace down here.
Yeah.
A little bit of the daylight left.
Yeah.
Although it probably really doesn't matter. These new lights have made a big difference in the vibe of this cat.
Oh, cool.
Kind of totally changed it up. Actually, I'm really surprised it took me that long to do it.
Yeah.
It took like 2 years longer than I should have.
It happens.
I plowed our section of road out there, like from where just the section Kate gave you a ride on, and
Yeah.
that took about 2 hours from the road to our house, pretty much.
Yeah. Nice.
That was a workout on the cat too, oh boy. There were a couple really tough spots there.
Yeah.
This will be, I think, actually an easier job. Although, I was picturing this being more difficult. Like, I'm very pleasantly surprised.
Yeah. Cool. That's good. Let's see how it goes. Okay.
Get on the snow, it'll be more impressive. Okay, about ready for some lights here. Here's the old incandescents.
Not bad.
Not bad, not bad. And then here's the new China LEDs.
Whoa!
Big difference.
Yeah, it feels like a newer cat all of a sudden.
And I got China LEDs on the back too. Check that out.
Ooh. Cool.
Yeah, huge upgrade.
Yep. Nice.
So anyway, yeah, I'll go back to the story.
So unfortunately the blade is not going up and down. It's been having this problem on and off, and maybe seemingly a stuck valve. We might have to get the piston bully.
I bet it's that plug. That would make more sense.
Dang.
Oh, I think we're gonna have to get the piston bully.
Oh man. Dang.
Oh, that fresh sharp blade won't be sharp after this. Just got grease all over my hands too. Okay, we've resigned ourselves to the fact that this cat is gonna have to be replaced with the piston bully for the rest of this job. Which is ironic because we only had about 20 minutes left, but made it to within 20 minutes of the end of the season.
Yeah.
But yeah, just some sort of valve issue. We've got this stuck on the secondary blade function, which would be the curl and slew. You cannot lift or lower it at all, which is becoming problematic because I'm having a hard time even driving.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping I think to be safe, I may go reverse the last bit home, but anyway, yeah, actually I'm going to have to go reverse the whole way home.
Yeah, oh jeez. Well.
It's like dropping a little bit or something, like the valve might be like a little bit stuck. That's lower than it was, right?
I think so. Uh-oh. Well, we'll go as fast as possible.
Some sort of a stuck switching valve on this blade function, which is certainly a very diagnosable and fixable problem, although I'm sure I do not have the part.
Yeah.
So, on the list for summer maintenance.
Yep.
Until I fix the blade. Committed now. Unless I need that excavator bucket. Ooh. I'll move it if I have to.
Yep.
It can move dust if it has to.
Yep. So you got to move the truck and then start up the piston bully, and then we'll go back over there. Oh. 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 Woo. Nice.
Not bad.
So sick.
Just gotta build up a little air and then I'll be able to pull forward.
Yeah.
Man, this thing has good lights too, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Dang!
Nice.
Well, I've never even seen if the brake lights work.
Ah. Oh.
Trucks take a lot of time.
How are the brunt boots so far?
Dude, they're actually incredible.
Great.
Good.
Glad to hear that.
Wicked good, yeah.
Cool. We'll see how they continue to hold up.
Been impressed. You know, the one thing I must say, the sole grip, it could have a little more tread on the sole.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Good,
Yeah.
nice, but they're definitely amazingly comfortable and waterproof.
Cool. That's great. Did you ever apply waterproof stuff to them or not bother?
I did, yeah.
Okay, you did.
Leather treatment.
Cool. All right.
glad the ground is wet for this. It'll be a lot easier on the machine.
Yep, on the blade. How's the temp?
152. Gave her a good warm up.
Yep.
Gonna go nice and easy. I'm so thankful the ground is wet for this.
Yeah.
When it's dry, it's like hard as rock.
Yeah.
This road especially, but you can see we're sinking in nicely there with that other cat.
Yeah. Yep. Here we go.
I'm gonna push very much right here. Final recovery of the year, baby.
Yeah, nice. Woo! Get this Sportsman 500 out of here.
Excellent machine, one of the all-time greats right there.
Yeah, we grew up with a guy named Rob who had one. The Sportsman 400 was a legendary two-stroke. Single cylinder. Yes.
Yeah, I think the tire's hitting the bottom of my blade. I do not want to hurt that thing.
Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, nice. Woo. Good stuff.
I mean, the payment's $8,000 a month. That's undoable.
Yeah.
Yeah, better just keep these running. Summer maintenance.
All right, we got it done.
Got it done. The old piston bully
Yep.
possibly cut its first blade right into the dirt, but it was soft, wet dirt, so
Could be worse.
there's one good rock hit.
Yep.
They can handle it.